Hello everyone! Welcome back to Life with Danielle. So for today's video, let's unbox my order from Tressencial Philippines. So I ordered 3 cans of their coffee. This is a healthy and beauty coffee. I bought their coffee because I saw that this coffee managed those persons who have diabetes. And my mom is one of them. And also, this coffee has a great benefits which can help us have a good digestion, strong bones and muscles, luminous skin, thicker hair, and a healthy heart. And it also lower our cholesterol and help us to have a positive wellness. So, if you want to know more about this essential beauty and healthy coffee, like their powerful ingredients and what does it taste, stay tuned and follow me. If you also want to have this, check my yellow basket to order. Follow also their official Facebook page, Tressencial Philippines Official. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you for watching and check it out. Bye!